Friends, this is Bhupati Raj, Mantra IAS Academy, Hyderabad. Yeah, today's topic, a very important topic for CSAT II. That's UPSC Civil Services Preliminary Examination Paper 2. That's topic name is data sufficiency. So this topic now it's not only for UPSC, please. Any entrance examination you take in India. Very interesting and important topic. So just first of all, same style, I can share the question paper. And I'll give the wonderful solutions for this, my friends. Observe it very carefully. It's a beautiful part, right? And particularly, data sufficiency plays a key role, and it's nothing but the deciding factor sometimes. So, what is that? Before starting the topic, I'll give you the concept of the subject, right, my friends? See, example, a question is given to you that what is the value of x? So, the statement 1 is x plus 5 is equal to 20. The second statement is x minus y is equal to 30. Just observe the thing better. My question is what? What's the value of x I have to find out? This is a fundamental point. Now, statement 1 and 2. This is x plus y is equal to 20 called as statement 1. X minus y is equal to 30 called as statement 2. So, the data, the statements called as the data. The given data, of course, in this style actually. Is it sufficient to answer the question or not? That's the topic called as data sufficiency. Means no need of solving the question, please remember. That's a major point of this topic. If you get the answer by using first statement only but not two, by using only one we have to get it. If you get by using first statement, you have to mark the answer as A. If that fellow gives one or something that based on yours, right? And if you from first statement it is no, of course you didn't get the answer, then we have to go to the second statement, and if you get the answer by using individually second statement, you have to mark the answer as B beta, right? Now you didn't get the answer by using first statement and second statement, my friends, then combine these two statements. If the logic is very important for third option, if you don't get the answer by using statement 1 and 2 individually, right, then automatically clubbing the two statements. Then only you have to please, if you don't get the answer A, that means what? If your answer is not A, not B, then only you think of C, please remember. But immediately by looking at the question CCC like that, you shouldn't say. So x plus 5 is equal to 20 here, x minus y is equal to 30 here. By using 1 and 2, two statements, if of course, even adding or subtraction or multiplication, something like that, by all arithmetic operations, if you get the answer by using 1 and 2, or you can say combined, of course, then you have to mark the answer as C beta. Now D is nothing but even individually you're not getting, and even after clubbing also if you don't get, that means what? The data is not at all sufficient to answer the question, then answer is D beta. E is a very crucial one. Observe here. This is what you can say. Option E will be, now in this case, you have to get the answer by using first statement L only, at the same time second also. Individually, if you get the answer by using two statements, means what? You will get the answer by using first statement, and the same thing you can get from second statement also. Then if that's the case, we have to mark the answer as E. Right? Now I can take 5 examples here now. Then immediately I'll go to the questions of ours. Yeah, I'll take the first example. What is that, please? X plus 5. I'll write again. The question is what's the value of x? First statement is x plus 5 is equal to 10. And second is what do you say, please? X minus y is equal to, it's 20 and 30, right? X plus y is equal, 5 is equal to 20. This is 30. But the question is this here, and approach is important. Yes, is it possible to tell the answer by using first statement? Yes, x plus 5 is equal to 20. So x is equal to 20 minus 5. I got the answer by using first statement individually. So my answer is what? A, R, E. E means what, sir? Even you have to get individually from second statement also, that's it, alonely. So x minus y is there beta. Y is the other variable. So by using second statement, it's not possible to tell the value of x. So our answer is not by using second, B will not be there. So option is only A. This is first model. Then I'll go to the second model here. What's the value of x question? And statement 1 is, I'm taking that x minus y is equal to 30 beta. Second is x minus 5 is equal to 20, feel so. Now by using first statement, is it possible to get the answer? Will you get the answer by using first statement? No. Immediately with statement, it's impossible. You need some other data here. X minus of y is equal 30 indicates, right beta? It's not possible. Why? Because extra variable y is there. So I don't get the answer by using single statement. So my answer is not A. If an answer is not A, obviously E also not the answer, because E means individually we have to get the answer. So from second, I'll just go to the second statement now. X minus 5 is equal 20 indicates x is equal 20 plus 5, it's 25. I got the answer by using second statement. So my answer is, what is that now? B. The second model completed beta. Then please go to question number 3 now. Same thing, x is equal to what? First statement is x minus y is equal to, imagine, 15. Second statement is x plus 5, x plus y is equal to, feel so, some 25. Now observe the logic, please. Is it possible? Will you get the answer by using first statement? No. Individually it's impossible, because x minus y variable is there. The variable y is there. It's not possible to get the answer by using 1. So our answer is not A beta. Then go to second statement. This is a procedure, please. Don't say immediately C answer, please. This is a procedure. X plus y is equal to 25. So here also y extra variable is there. So it's not that. Because the fundamental point, you are not at all, of course, you are not getting the answer by using individually statement 1 and 2. Then we have to club the statements. If you get the answer, C, right, I'll check it. Now, otherwise D we have to write. X minus y is equal to 15 beta. X plus y is equal to 25. Yeah, adding of the two statements here, you know the basic mathematics, right? Adding of these is what? Plus y minus y cancelled. 2x is equal to 40. X is equal to 20 beta. By using two statements, I got the answer. So this type of situation implies our answer is, what is that, please? C is the right answer, my friends. So the three models I've covered. Then go to fourth question and fourth model it is. Question is same, I'm just x, this is the, what is the value of x here? First statement is beta here. X minus y is equal to 14. Second statement is y plus z minus of r is equal to 60. Observe the point. My question is, what's the value of x beta? The first statement it is here, x minus of y is equal to 14. Is it possible to tell the value of x? No. Because extra variable y is there. So our answer is not A baba. Then go to second statement, y plus z minus of r is equal to 60. In this case, there is no question of x at least. So impossible to get the value of b directly. That's value x of by directly. So option is not B. Now the combined of this and this beta. Even combined also not possible. Reason, x minus y is there, y plus z minus of r. We have totally 4 variables are there, but we have only 2 equations. So impossible to get the answer. Our answer is not C, my dear. So individually not. Even after clubbing also no. So that means what? The data, this concerned data is not sufficient to answer the question. That's the reason our answer is D baba. Now the final model of the data sufficiency question, that's problem number 5. Observe here. First statement is x minus 5 is equal to 25. Second statement is beta here, x plus 5 is equal to, imagine, some 35. Yeah. Now story same, style same. First of all, we have to check the first statement. X minus 5 is equal to 25 implies x is equal to 25 plus 5, 30. I got the answer by using first statement. So our answer is now A is confirmed. So I'll check the second also. That means my answer is A or E. If I get by using second also in same style, I'll mark the answer as B, E beta. Now is it possible by using second statement? Yes. Here also same, 35 minus 5, 30. I got the second, of course, by using second statement also the value of x. So B also confirmed answer. So individually I got A and B. So because of this statement here, right, only from statement 1 and 2. That's the reason we have to mark this type of answers. You know, the question is option in this case is E is the right answer for this. The same thing here, observe here. These are the points I mentioned better. Please take the screenshot of this one, and what I mentioned here, you can find it. If data in statement 1 alone is sufficient to answer the question is A, you have to give the answer, because each of the data questions here below contains a question and 2 statements, 1 and 2 given below it. You have to decide, that's all, whether the data provided in the statements are sufficient to answer the question or not. Right. Yeah, read both the statements and give answer A if 1 is sufficient alone. When data in statement 2 alone not sufficient to answer the question, then is A beta. Give answer B if the data in statement 2 alone is sufficient to answer the question, but while the data in statement 1 alone are not sufficient to answer the question. Same style, see here, if data both in statements 1 and 2 together, not individual please, together are necessary to answer the question. Give D if data given in both statements 1 and 2 together are not sufficient to answer the question, that's D. E is if the data either in statement 1 alone or in statement 2 alone are sufficient to answer the question, is E beta. So this is the story here. Come to the point of our question paper now. Please observe this beta. I'll just do one thing. First question is this, second question is this, right? Now third one is what will be the total age of A and B 10 years from today. How far is A from B? What's the value of X? Okay, I'll start with question number 5 because you are already observed this type of questions. Baba, what is the value of X is the question. First statement is in this case is X plus Y is equal to 10, Y plus 2 is equal to 5. Is it possible to tell the answer by using first statement, sir? Impossible. Why, sir? Because what you know, X plus Y is 1, 0 beta. It's impossible to tell the value of X. So that option is not A. Not A indicates not E also. E means we have to get individually from both. Or you can say only from both. Now come to the point here. Y plus 2 is 5. So Y is equal to 3. My question is X. So even second statement also not at all suitable. Or you can say second statement is not sufficient to answer the question. Our answer is not A, not B. Then we have to club the statements or combine the statements. And if you get the answer C, otherwise D beta. X plus Y is equal to 10 here. And you got Y is equal to 3. Then substitute Y is equal to 3, my dear. X plus 3 is equal to 10 implies X is equal to, I got 10 minus of 3, that is 7 beta. By using two statements, otherwise after clubbing. So then I got the answer. Because of that reason, answer for this question is C, Baba. Remember. So this is fundamental. Now I'll come from the first question, right? Look at the question. What is Raja's total monthly income beta? He is asking monthly income, my friends. Monthly income. So data should be very careful. If the fellow gives us annually, we can simply say that, right? By 12, I'll get the answer. Now, Raja's annual income by way of salary is 60,000. Remember. So this is what you call, please, salary. He gets 60,000. So generally, he is asking income, na? So that how many sources of income that fellow Raja has, I don't know. He mentioned only one statement in that salary. He may have, of course, some other, right, deposits in the bank or houses, and of course, he may get rents. So that's interest from the banks or rents from the houses. I don't know. So I won't say by using, it's not possible for me to tell the answer by using first statement. So my answer is not A. Then I'll go to the second statement. In this case, Raja gets annually from his tenant 48,000. Good. Right? Annually. So he gets monthly 4,000 rupees. This is monthly 4,000, salary 5,000. Good monthly. So even told impossible to say by using second also, I don't say what's the monthly income of this fellow, because in this case individual rent is there, in that case his salary is there. So A and B. People feel that combined enough. No sir, no beta. That this Raja might have some other sources of income. That's what you can say. Deposits in the bank. He may get monthly interest. Right? Or some other sources which is not at all mentioned in the statements. So what you can say, the data is not sufficient to tell the exact income of this Raja monthly how much. So our answer is data is not sufficient. D is the answer for this question. But this is analysis is important for this topic, please. Now go to question number 2. Which year did Ajay get married? Good. In September 2000, he was blessed with a son. Wonderful. Of course. He got, of course, there is a son for this fellow in 2000. But my question is not that, my dear. When did Ajay get married actually? So it's not the answer by using first statement, not A. Then he got engaged in 1995. Kya baat hai? I'm asking marriage, in fact. He is giving that engagement in 1995. I don't know. Immediately in the same year or next year when he got married, I don't know. So this also B is not possible. Now combine the statements better. He blessed with a son in 2000 and engagement in 1995. Question is married. When that fellow, of course, marriage in anniversary, in which date actually? So in which year otherwise? So no question of it. The data is not sufficient. So data is not sufficient in place. D is the right answer beta. Then third question also very important. Please observe here. What will be the total age of A and B 10 years from today? Example, today A and B's total age is 20 years. After 10 years means what? We have to say 30 years. That is the answer, please. That means today we have to know the total age of A and B mandatorily. So A is 30 years old today. Good. A's age is 30, Baba. But I don't know the age of B by using first statement. So my answer is not A. Because to tell the we can answer for the concerned question, I need full data. In the first statement, it's not there. Only A's information is there. So answer is A is equal to 30 years implies it's not the answer, but our answer is not A. Then B. B is older than A. Fine. How many years? How many years, please? Yeah. Is it possible to tell? 5 years or 10 years older than? No question of it. So definitely B is not. Even after clubbing also, because 30 years is this fellow, but what's the age of B? I don't know. 35, right? Or 31, 31.5. That's not mentioned. To get total, definitely total age of A and B, I should know compulsory. Compulsory is what? B's age I have to know compulsory. Otherwise, it's impossible. So data is D. This also D beta. Option is D, my dear. Then fourth question, be cautious. How far is A from B? How far is A from B? Remember, the question is the distance between A and B is asking that. A is 70 kilometers away from C. Example, if you take C here, A, between A and C we have 70 kilometers beta. My question is between A and B. So not the answer. I didn't get the answer by using first statement is not A. That's why. Come to the point. D is 35 kilometers away from A. A to D is 35 kilometers. Very happy. So this is also not the answer. Now combined of, or you can say club the two statements here. Baba, he mentioned that A and C gap and A and D gap, but I don't know what is A and B gap in this case. Even if you draw, also impossible to get. So answer is data is not sufficient. This also D beta. The first questions 4, of course, data 4. And fifth is C. Now come to the point of sixth one here. Is A mother of B? Right. B is there beta, a child in fact. Right? I don't know, boy or girl. But what about is A is the mother of this person? B is the daughter of A. Good. Means B is a girl. A's daughter. Now tell me, A is a male or female? If is A male, is going to be the father. If B, female, you can say mother. So I don't know by using first statement, the definitely not the A. Answer is not A beta. A is not a male. Definitely what is that? A is a female. Now from this also impossible, I won't get it because B's information is not there. Now combined. So is A mother of B means B is the daughter of A, but A is a mother female. So obviously A is the mother of B by using two statements. Because of that reason, I got the answer. Of course, I have to write the option as C, my dear. Now seventh question. On which day and which date Vijay's birthday is, on which date actually? So Vijay's birthday comes only in a leap year. Comes only in a leap year, remember. That's it. Otherwise, it's impossible to get. That means what? Every fourth year is a birthday of that fellow. It's possible only in the case of 29th of February. So that occurs by using first statement. I got the answer A. If I get back from second also, then I can write E. Otherwise, I'll keep A. Vijay's birthday is either Monday or Sunday. It's not the right thing, please. I want to know the date. So it's not possible to say by using second, but by using one I got it because leap year, only one day. It occurs, of course, birthday pakka, and that comes only in leap year. So option is 29. That is called as A is the option for this question. But a question number 8 here. How many students of maths got more than 60% marks? Out of the total students, 35% got 60% marks. Arre bapre, what's the total strength? I don't know. Out of the total students who got 60% marks are marks 55 are from maths. Is it possible to say, please? Definitely individually not possible because total strength I have to know because I have to say how many students are there. Right? No, it's not at all. Data is not clear. So option is D beta in this case also. Now ninth question, please observe. Will it be a Monday tomorrow? It is not a Sunday today. It's not a Sunday today. Right? Will it be a Monday tomorrow? Right? Sunday is a holiday. Fine. But please tell me, is it possible? It's not Sunday means what? Maybe Saturday, Friday, Thursday. I don't know. So it may be or may not be. I'm not deciding. Will it be a Monday tomorrow? Means by using one, it's not possible. Second also not possible. Even combined also impossible. So the data is D beta. Now question number 10, my dear. It's important question. Please observe here. Mohan is taller than Prashant and Ravi. And Ravi is taller. Okay. And Ravi is taller than Dinesh. Who is the tallest? Baba, we have how many characters? How many persons are there? Mohan is there. Prashant is there. Ravi is there. Dinesh is there. Now, in the data itself he gave us, I didn't see the statements, please. Of course, the question itself I just see given in the style that Mohan is taller than Prashant and Ravi is taller than Dinesh. But I want a connectivity between Ravi and Prashant, then I'll definitely get the answer. Yeah, first statement is better here. Prashant is taller than Ravi. Very good. Prashant is taller than Ravi and Mohan is taller than Ravi. So Baba, even without knowing second also you can get the answer, because already first statement in the question itself is Mohan is taller than Prashant, and by using first statement is that Prashant is taller than Ravi and Ravi is automatically of course taller than, this is statement beta. Out of all the people, Mohan is the tallest. No need of second statement in this case. So what you can say, please? Our answer is by using first statement. I got it. So option is A, my dear. This is a beautiful topic. Hope you understood. That's the topic called as data sufficiency, my friends. Yeah, mantra we can have of course from school days. The integrated programming is there, implies school students from, of course, we are giving the admission from 8th to 12th standard. At the same time, individual for graduates, first year, second year, third year graduation are for individually, that also there. And those who are writing this year, right, even CSAT individual module also there. So most welcome to Mantra IAS Academy. Regarding any doubt, please, admission point of view, call Mantra IAS Academy. The number, it is there, of course, 880-162-7181, my friends. Have a great time. Bye-bye, everybody. God bless you.